Monday, 25th of September 2016, and at the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, channel 98 on top of GoTV cable, Star Times channel 195, channel 17 for my TV, and on top of terrestrial. What is terrestrial? All you need to do now to turn your antenna small on top of UHF 57, and you're going to see us live and direct for Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja. Anywhere where you're inside the world, if you watch us on top of www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We don't come again with that Ogbonge politics discussion show as in a hot. We're going to hit you from left to right with all the action to the way they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We're going to discuss that from start to finish. Give you license to chook my visa that talk and do anything be for body so that those who lead us go hear the voice of God in the voice of the people. Take the necessary steps to move this our country forward. My name now is Ezogo Chokwote, and as usual, I know they're alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when serving well when I stay concerned the politics matter as Ide Hot.
Yes, have a beautiful Monday morning to our wonderful viewers who they watch us right now. Now the terrible edition of our Ogbonge program. I always talk and say this program on our program, everybody program, because this is not the only grassroots political program where they do it, where they bring the people close to the government. Because if we don't talk about CB here, nobody else go talk about, because that will be the number one when it comes to at least talking things the way we see them. And women are bear in mind, say we go also open our phone line when that time reach, so that at least our viewers go also feel contribute their own quota to the whole discussion, because hey, as I already talk, we need to also get our own opinion. So government to the rulers go hear from now as well. My name never see change. My name now could be. And this now as Ide Hot.
Based on the way they do them every Monday when they call Tieroba, we go carry all the action to the way they carry first inside Nigeria political WWE. Drop them 5 of them. And the first one we go start with get to do with one interesting gist where we say in the recent weeks, they come out tops for inside Nigeria news headlines. This one get to do with the sale of our national assets. That is the property will belong to all of us inside Obodo Nigeria. They won't sell them. Based on the economic recession when Nigeria they face, they look say, okay, oh, if we sell some of these assets, we go use the money add to the one we want use balance the 2016 budget and ensure say our economy bounce back. But United Labour, that is NLC, TUC, NUPENG, Pengasan, and all the whole joint body when we say that they do labor work inside the Nigeria, over the weekend they come and draw ear, now their left ear and draw, give the federal government. They tell the federal government say, if you try sell our national assets when belong to all of us, una go hear when they say they don't prepare themselves. Say the one where we say government, the government of Ibrahim Badamasi Babangida for 1989, the anti-structural adjustment program riot, say that one go be child's play to this particular one. Say this property when belong to all of us, when we say if they bring small money enter our country pocket, now they come and talk say they won't sell. He said the other ones where they don't sell before, what did they use that money do? They go tell Nigeria and say this now the time for us to shine our eyes. Say it be like say somehow. Some people when they inside government, then they play politics with this particular thing. They call they draw ear again. Second time, give government say, if you sell our national assets, you go here. That one, now the gist from United Labour inside Obodo Nigeria based on Aside Hot.
Yes, and from that gist, we go enter straight to another gbosa where they don't carry out. Who be these people who carry them out? Avengers, they don't strike again, no. They don't strike again, and we say they don't do it. They don't take leave or break from this destruction, and that is vandalization of our oil and resources. But this time around, they don't do it. They don't carry out under badness. And when they carry out this one, and they carry out this one for Bonny crude export, they come out on Friday. Yesterday will be, the first day where we start. They come talk say the bossa will happen for Bonny. That is Bonny crude oil and this state. Now they do it. Now they carry them out on Friday, and the reason why they do this now because of say government will say when we say they don't tell us we will negotiate. Say one of the reasons why they even halt destruction or they halt bombing of our resources. Now because of say make them feel give government chance to do it to feel negotiate with them. But say from the look of things, the government not serious at all. Say government just they take them play. They think they can play here as well. And for that reason, they can't carry these partners after a long while. So now they can say so their doors still they very open. Oh. Say government won't discuss with them. Say they thought this still they very open for discussion. But say government they take their place, say they no go take them at all, they don't go accept them at all. And for that reason, make government know what they do. All right, about now, on top of this matter, we get to do with Niger Delta. Now the next second story be that.
From this particular story, we go rush, enter inside break. When we got this break, come back, we'll give you 3, 4, and 5 based on the way when we say the gist, they come up plenty smoke. As either you went there, now you go complete that. You must complete that today because today go hot. Hot. Will they come back? Welcome back to Acid the Hot. We will continue with our third, fourth, and fifth story before we delve into the discussion. Can't give you license to chook mouth inside and talk about the way anything be you for body. And this third story got to do with one bad man when we say for a very long time now he don't be torn in the flesh of the Nigerian state based on the wicked activities where we say him and him people that they do. And they talk of Shekau, the Ogapatapata of Boko Haram, Jaguda people. Make I break them down, make everybody hear. Everybody knows, say, for March of 2015, gist being come out, say the Islamic State of West Africa, they come out and announce, say, Shekau, say he don't join them. He don't talk, say he want to work with them to join hands together to move Boko Haram badness, go forward. People come and talk, say, hey, this one when we say that they pledge allegiance to Islamic State of West Africa. Say, it be like anything on the hard, and it be like say they're going to cause more problems. But government been come out when they enter, come show, say, somehow, this one a voice of dying man based on say the thing not hard for them and the thing not red. But we can't hear one gist on the 3rd of August. Our soldier people come and talk, say, Boko Haram Jaguda people, they don't deal with them. And on the 23rd, they can't give information, say the Oga Shekau, say they don't wound them fatally for inside one of their air raids. And if you put English side by side to wound person fatally in an injury when we say the person no go survive from. And on the 13th of September, Boko Haram Jaguda people can't release video. Inside that video, Oga Shekau no they there. One man went talk saying they represent and come and talk say they will still the fight go. Nigerians going to look say, oh, this one when be saying no they their video. Now be say something don't happen. But yesterday, September 2015, bust out again. He released video. 40 minutes inside that video, he talk say, he nothing do am. Saying they happy. In fact, when they raise the voice, they bring and come down. He shows say nothing even affect them at all. He talks say they will continue to fight this government to use ensure say them bring back that government of Boko Haram inside this country, everywhere inside of Bodo, Nigeria. But the army people they don't reply. Talk say this one a scam, na arrangement. Say it be like say the way when they take do the video, even though they see they monitor the thing. Say it be like say they just arrange and to use do like say and Shekau they talk. Say they go do everything what they do to pursue Boko Haram Jaguda people come out inside of Bodo, Nigeria. But Nigerians say they ask questions. This war against Boko Haram Jaguda people. We go see the end.
Whether we go see the end, from that one, we could see and that fresh matter where they do it, where they post the news, where they post virtually every newspaper, and that one get to do with waiting on God Tinubu, that is the Jagaban himself. He don't come out, he don't talk, that is don't come out talk. He say, hey, resign sharp. Who in the test make he resign? In the tell the national chairman of APC, that is the Oga John Oyegu, say make he do it. Say make he resign unto waiting. Unto say the fact say he don't sabotage the system of the party. Say he carry out coup. And this coup he carry out, you get to do with Ondo primaries, that is APC primaries we play. Because talk say the kind hand way Oyegu put inside the system, say he falter the system of the political party. And for that reason, if him no come out talk, say in here, say he get as he go be. Say make I know that members of the party better do it, better come and also support this move because he don't do it, he don't sabotage the system of the party. And for us to also make sure say we move forward. Say this system what we talk about, that's not what we say don't dey on for long. And for someone to can't just enter, carry out coup, sabotage the whole system. See. Say he get as to be, and for that reason, make John waiting, make John Oyegu make he resign sharp, make you no waste time, so that at least they will feel reshape the party, know as where they move from here on. So now the news they got to do with them, Oga Tinubu asking John Oyegu will be the national chairman of APC to resign be that.
From that particular story, make we top them up with our fifth and final story, and this one get to do with waiting Oga Presido. And they talk now to the government of the United Kingdom and the United States of America. Everybody go know say Oga Presido been go one visit. When he go the United Nations General Assembly for inside New York, he don't come back from that visit. He can come and talk say the U.S. government and the UK government say that our money them when we say some kind bad people when they inside government then thief carry go there say when they do sharp make they return that money as we need them and want to use the money to do things of development inside of Bodo, Nigeria. He talk say they already promised say they go return that money but say when they speed up that particular process so that I no go be like say we dey waste time and we dey delay. People go come and come and say wait oh. He get one time when we say Oga Presido been travel. He get some countries when we say when they come begin the call say will he travel and pass our country or will he travel and come into our country? He has been traveling he hasn't traveled into our own country. Oga Presido will come tell them say okay just prepare somewhere, I'm traveling into your country. They call us all this travel when they come and they tell us that time say in they speak to the governments of UK, US, France, all these countries when we say they don't thief our money go idea say when they return that money the thing don't they go 1 year now we never hear anything about this thing and the government come talk say no be say they go Russia say no appeal to the government maybe they just do their best to see say they repatriate all these funds them. All these gist, 5 of them when they come out smoke, now we carry come from this weekend, come drop Acid the Hot. We don't go waste time today. We go try our phone lines open, make you call, make you talk your mind as you get to do with all these particular stories. But before we call, I go like give this one to Nkubi. I want to dedicate this song to you. Anywhere, I gotta only.
Wait. No, it is too. Wait. Your case right now, you know how they be me. Just be like, wait till they dedicate song for me for. I win any.
That story, the story when you take.
Which story be that?
The second story when you take.
Which second story?
The one when you take when.
No, normal story.
Which
if
no?
I take story, we are trying to avoid the particular way play for our own era.
Waiting play out.
Now waiting
No, waiting play out.
The sabotage way lead to the whole system internally. When we say in the end, we don't even know where to feel hold on to. That's what they're trying to avoid.
You are trying to avoid.
Jagaban has spoken.
Thank you, sir. So
yeah, I did that for you.
After promising Nigerians all the old good things when they this life, after promising Nigerians all the old change when they heaven and earth, after 16 months when he come be like say una no even know una no know whether the motor dey go from iwájú lọ kọ ìwà mi lọ ẹ̀yìn kọlọ lọ kọ ìwà mi lọ. That's the new song.
Don't dedicate such song to me.
That's the new song. That's the new song of the party. Iwájú lọ kọ ìwà mi lọ ẹ̀yìn kọlọ lọ kọ ìwà mi lọ mi ò mọ.
That's not the wájú sef we dey head to.
Which wájú na dey to?
The wájú tí ọkọ yẹn tó ń wà wá lọ là ń tẹ́rí sí.
Which wájú?
Ihu àwọn ọ̀gàgà wí hàn gánà àgá ní.
Ihu àwọn ọ̀gàgà. You don't even begin to speak Hausa.
Please, let me even
read it. Your party.
See what Oga Tinubu tell that Oga John Egu. Say, Oyegun has done the irredeemable.
Super.
His coup is an insult to party and to patriots.
Thank you.
To reason and to do it into silent would be to admit that is the defeat of the reform
before
and
you finish
progressive change.
Oga Samali dey call us
many have labored to do it.
Oga Samali, good morning and welcome to
This is the talk coming from
Oga Samali dey call us
for
something. Oga Samali,
good morning, Jare.
I greet all of now.
We greet you too.
I won't put mouth for 3 of the 3 out of the 5 we're on.
Ride on, they hear you.
The first, the assets.
Okay.
For me, if we get people who go fit manage our assets, who have become dormant, me I will support me, they sell them. You hear me?
Okay.
Many people do, Nigeria not the outside out, who will manage them, may they sell them. Because this thing are not functioning. It's unfortunate that today we don't have national airline. I remember when I was young, I was flying Nigeria from Lagos to Benin. 400 naira. But where is it today? Where is our national carrier that go for water? That is one. The Nigerian army, they should stop deceiving Nigerians. If they want to tell us, say, they would Shakarao, where the picture, may they show us, say, yes, this man, no, we would down. You know, we just tell us, say, you go battle, you bob one place, you believe, say, that man was wounded. Where the picture? We don't see him. Tinubu, he don't show, say, because I don't know, Nigeria Constitution, where the post of national leader of the party, what we have is national chairman. That Tinubu now come out telling Oyegun to go. What did he do where he go say make he go? Why no leave her for the neck of the party to decide? When does he become the accuser? He will accuse, he will pass judgment. Well,
but Oga Samali,
Nigeria don't see the change.
Oga Samali,
yes?
May I ask you this question about this last one we just talked?
Yeah, I'm here.
If a party get a structure, you say, over time, it don't help them in the past. I come and say, okay, nationally, there will be the brain behind that structure. Because say if something doesn't go wrong. And because they refer and say, make it happen for the past administration, where affect the party, make it not affect them here. Because say no, for this reason, we not give room for somebody to come and sabotage our system. Share this now a better call. So that at least they will feel they focused.
Me, I don't agree with them.
You don't agree with them?
I don't agree with them. If I put this matter before the neck of the party, they will decide that. That means that Tinubu is becoming the overlord in APC. Even if they contribute to the formation of APC, APC is now a national party. Unfortunately, the party ruling Nigeria today. They mean that they clap and say all is not well with PDP. Now, what did they happen for APC now? I love this country, me as I talk.
Oga Samali, in fact, that passion where you go for the country, I want to thank you very, very much for also calling and dropping 3 solid points from what we've done them, also talk so far. We get Oga Polycarp. All the Oga Polycarp, they come us all the way from Enugu. Good morning, Oga Poly.
Good morning, Chukwode.
I agree to Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning.
The same as our said, maybe the issue in Nigeria. Because the ones that were being sold, We never see anything come out of it. I remember that the government tried many times to sell NITEL, out to now as well. MTN wanted to buy part of NITEL. The government refused. They talk say they want to sell the whole chain, all the whole complete, without sharing anything. Then MTN lost interest. And that they do public auction. One company, I don't know whether you know the company, don't forget, come price the highest, give the highest bidding. So the time when they give them to pay the money, the company can call and say that they now give that man when come price that in the permission to price that amount. So they cannot afford the amount the man says he will pay. That is why the NITEL feel men like that. So up to now, every place in Nigeria, you see that mask, Roman NITEL, mask there. Mask, which if I know that the main thing where MTN want to buy those masks, there's nothing to do with the machines where those machines there. Because that mask goes very far. They can install antenna here, it will go very far, cover the whole country. Then the issue of Avenger, well, we continue to negotiate with them. Business force against them is not the best solution. So you cannot kill I talked before about what happened in Vietnam. Don't use that force. America used force against the Vietnamese, and the Vietnamese shamed them. So we just negotiate with them. You know what they did, and it worked. That's why some of them were taken abroad to go and learn work. So we are there in Nigeria. The issue of Oyego and
yes.
the people should know that he's one of the parties, AP, they come from. It's not even a majority of the party that made up of APC. That is AFPP. The one has majority share. The one where Buhari come from, which is CPC, even though it's small, the only one wants to during the time when they contest election. So even the top of the people who talk about APC, the local side is not doing much stuff. So for him to be national leader, just like Rama will talk, say, we have a national chairman, not national leader.
Very true.
So those people have no local standing.
Very true. Oga Polika, we don't note this your important point. You don't already talk and say, as we get the position of national chairman, may they allow the national chairman do what he want to do. Oga Obiora, they wait on top of our telephone now. Oga Obiora, thank you very much for your patience all the way from Yola. Welcome to Ask Ide Hot.
Good morning to good and
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
I beg, before I on, you don't talk the first and second story. I beg, remind me the first and second story.
Okay, the first story get to do with the one when we say organized labor. They draw here, give federal government, say, if they sell our national assets, they go here when, and the kind of when we say Nigerians go use react to them, it go pass the anti-SAP riots of 1989. The second one get to do with what the Avengers, they don't strike again for inside the Niger Delta area.
Okay. So my contribution there for the first one, you know, we don't be talk and say, if any man will grow up, say waiting inherited from his papa, he go sell them out, all of them, and leave nothing for his children. That man not be good papa in be. So we don't want to say our leader not be good leader, but we talk him as proverb. So if you then go choose now within them be, that one not me talk him. Then for the one where Avengers talk, you get one thing where they meditate is the issue of former first lady start. And they meditate on any man who choose to fight. The man, you always be hard for the man to achieve any success. Because if you fight this one, whether it's good fight or bad fight, if you fight good fight, you go see another bad fight, they fight you at your back. But any man will decide to go front and forget about the past, the man always achieve great. So now that our leader, this present administration now, decide to fight, in fact, I believe that they cannot achieve more. So come to the issue of Tinubu. You remember what we saw about APC and propaganda. So now those things are now coming out one after the other. So if today, because the chairman said that they will do free and fair election, everybody will contribute. No godfatherism inside. Now because of that now, the organic godfatherism of APC now say no. That the man will come out. It means that APC will be worse than PDP. Because before you tell somebody to resign, you must see his problem. You must tell us his problem. Now, as somebody said before, APC now is a national party. In fact, even we that we are not supporting APC, APC now is our party because they are ruling us. So anything else affects APC, affects us either direct or indirect. And if this leader continues to misleading us like this, at the end of the whole thing, their regime will be worse than PDP, but we pray that God forbid. Because if their regime be worse, we will suffer much. So we pray that they will change this their mind and give us the real change that we are expecting. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. This one when we say you talk the way when the team be based on your mind and you can't add prayer to that. Now something when we say I dey very sure say every Nigerian they hope say issues go come for political party based on disagreement, but the interest of the people now they very very paramount. And at the end of the day, we dey hope say the interest of Nigerian people now go carry first. But it go good. Make we also emphasize say the Nigerian people suppose begin to show interest for politics.
Yes.
First and foremost, if we look the matter, wetin the Jagaban they talk, wetin they accuse Oga Oyegun of doing. Now something when we say we as a people when God don't give sense, we go sit down, we go look the matter, look say okay, now like this be, see the right thing, see the thing when they wrong. Oga Andrew, they call us all the way from Warri. Oga Andrew, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, I greet you on a special.
Good morning, Oga Andrew.
So how are they today?
We dey fine.
All the matter one that they talk, so I like how well. The first one I like Shukma put now for this, I said make I Shukma put for the one of this, I said make I Shukma for this Niger Delta Avengers.
Okay.
Where they say they blow up money. So if you look well, what did the boys they talk or what did the people they talk? That's true. Because since when the ceasefire, the communication gap can't change. They not attend to them.
Continue, Oga Andrew.
And as they refire back, I believe the federal government will listen to them. Then for the one of sales of our national assets, I won't beg me they not sell them. Because of say, if you listen carefully or you understand, you will not say where they sell data steel company to the Egypt. Egypt come here, come carry all the parts, go their place again, leave the place, die. And today they not do anything. All with national assets when they don't sell seats, we never get anything back from them. So the remaining one when we say they live also, I want to support with you and talk. Papa when we say live life, we not leave anything for children, no be good papa. So make them leave our national assets for us, go take a time manage. Now do we get when I want to contribute for this matter and greet on
Oga Andrew, we greet you too and thank you for that contribution. You also don't state your own mind. And one very important way you talk now, the sale of national assets. Say, okay, if they look at the previous one, oh, they don't sell. What if don't be the result so far? That be the big question who they ask. And that is why people don't also come and talk, say, we know 2 days sure about this sale because if we sell and finish and in the end, you just like say the sell will sell out, you just like now waste of resources, waste of product. We don't say and reflect for the people. Say which means if they questionable, we need to ask questions because they don't sell a lot of, they don't sell NEPA, they don't privatize, they privatize NEPA, privatize sell that is our own Nigerian Airways, sell different this way we'll get that time. But then the major thing, the major essence of selling a particular resources or asset, that because of make if you do it, make if you improve the system for the country. But if you not see the system, they improve. Of course, the people go do it, the people go question. That is why organized labor don't come and talk, say, look, if government they make an attempt to sell, we don't go accept them at all.
Very true.
So they're going to tell us, give us strong reason why they want to sell this thing.
Very true.
Now be the thing.
And it's very, very evident. Say the government must begin to discuss with Nigerian people. They're supposed to come and they tell Nigerian people, say, see what they do. First and foremost, a lot of Nigerians don't talk, say, okay, we get assets when I talk, say, they're dormant. Waiting be these assets when they're dormant. If we sell them, waiting we go make. Who will they sell them to? What we go use the money do and all these kind of things. Like them news story people talk, say, when they contact Oga Femi Adesina, he come and he talk, say, no comment. How you going to talk, say, no comment, and you represent the government? We need to understand all these things. We get one of our Ogbonge callers on top of our telephone line. Good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot. Josephine from
Madam
Lagos.
Josephine, good morning.
Good morning, Nkobi and Chukudi.
We greet you.
Good morning. I just want to talk concerning that our labor.
Okay.
I don't think we, our country, Nigeria, we have an effective labor union. Effective in the sense that we cannot, the citizens or the Nigerians cannot rely on them. We saw what happened pertaining the 140 something.
Now these people, now them cause them now. These people, now them, they don't divide labor.
The current, it came to a time that the labor divided it into two.
Not true.
How can you divide labor? The labor that is to stand for. So we don't have labor. The labor should just move aside and let Nigerians start thinking of how to face what is going to happen.
Madam Josephine,
Two again, sir.
Okay.
Pertaining the Niger Delta, I think they hold their peace, like what the last caller just said. And the government should use those times to negotiate with them. These people are angry. They have a mission. If they are bringing the economy down, like an economic analyst said today, if they are bringing the economy down and they give you time to negotiate, go to them. What you are losing is more than what you are gaining.
Exactly.
Why not just go to them and negotiate this term of ceasefire? So I just pray Nigeria, our leaders should start thinking right and leave this travel here and there. To the ones that have been traveling has not helped us. Let us face our domestic problem here. And God will help us.
Amen. No, Madam Josephine, thank you very, very much. And I want to ask one question about the labor, where you talk, say, okay, the point is, fine, we don't say somehow, our labor in the recent time don't do it. They don't get some kind of faction inside them. But then, for us to also do it, get a formidable labor this thing, how we also fit ensure, say, at least we get ourselves involved in the system, so at least we go fit decide, or tell government, this is how we want it. We don't want this, we want this one. We got Ogo okay, they call us all the way from Calabar. Good morning, Ogo okay, welcome to As the Hot.
Good morning, Mr. Shukudi.
I greet you, Oga okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkobi.
Good morning.
Hello.
We dey hear too.
Make our contribution more.
Okay.
I don't talk before about our selling of our national assets. Say, it better make the package everybody, I mean the whole Nigeria sell. Make all of us know say now we'll be foreigner. Say now people get us. Any of our leader will open mouth saying one sell our national asset that they see them as a prodigal son. Yes. Because the ones we don't sell, the one we don't give you make it the manage. Nothing we use and do. Then you want sell, add to lavish the money again. And again, let me tell you people, it's not selling the asset is the problem. But remember that after selling it, there we still have what they call share. They still have share to anybody they sold the asset to. So they go see our asset, do business. That one their part. Then head to Niger Delta Avengers. I don't talk them before, I will still talk them again. This property where they blow up every blessed day is their property. If you damage your thing, who go come repair them for you? I think that perseverance, all these things need and good understanding. Every day they blow these things, they say I didn't get them. Then if now your property, why can't you take care of your property? Why can't you protect your property? You're blowing your property. Who is fooling who? And lastly, about the Jagaban. I mean, their own self-interest, personal interest. Now they fight for that party. The interest of Nigerians, I mean the common men or the common people, the masses, they need to protect them as well.
Okay. We need stop where you don't talk quickly. And we go just run them off as you don't talk. Say now their interest that they fight for. But Nigerians must wake up because our interest is the most important part. Quickly, we'll go rush, enter inside this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion. Continue to take calls. Not go anywhere. We'll go discuss this matter from start to finish based on as it To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.